Welcome everyone, my name is Catherine if you are new here, and I've been working with people suffering from kidney disease for almost a decade now. If there is one thing that I've learned is that you can actually heal your kidneys by eating better. And guys, when I tell you that you can heal your kidneys with a diet, I actually mean it. In this large review of studies, patients in stage 3 and 4 were able to stop kidney disease progression and in some cases restore some of their kidney function by eating more fruit and vegetables. I mean, what if we could combine some incredibly healthy fruit and vegetables to make them taste like Nutella? I'm not kidding, guys. You absolutely have to try this recipe. Not only all the ingredients are 100% suitable for a renal diet, they are also incredibly healthy. Every single ingredient here has powerful healing properties, and the result is just yummy. Let's do it! First ingredient, unsweetened cocoa powder. Oh, I love cocoa powder because it is a minimally processed superfood with amazing health benefits. According to the NIH, cocoa's antioxidants help prevent and treat allergies, anxiety, cancers, hyperglycemia, inflammatory conditions, and oxidative stress, and can improve insulin resistance. There are studies saying that unsweetened cocoa powder may even help lowering creatinine levels in kidney patients. Wait, what? Chocolate can lower creatinine levels? How? Dark chocolate has been thoroughly studied recently and it's proven to lower blood pressure. It can also reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease and can improve cholesterol levels. It may even help prevent and treat type 2 diabetes by helping the body release more insulin and responds more efficiently to increased blood glucose. Incredible! And to get these benefits, we need just 2 tablespoons or around 15 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder. This contains just 14 milligrams of potassium and no sugar at all. Second ingredient, celery. This is one of the most powerful healing foods in the world. Celery is an excellent blood cleanser. It has long been used as a traditional remedy thanks to its diuretic, antimicrobial, and cleansing properties. This is what makes it the best friend of your urinary tract and kidneys. Let's put 3 small celery stalks in the blender. Third ingredient, a Williams pear. Pears are a really underestimated fruit, but they are incredibly healthy. First of all, eating pears regularly is associated with lower cholesterol levels, but also a single medium-sized pear, like this one, packs a whopping 6 grams of dietary fiber, mostly soluble. Also, 1 whole pear is just going to add 190 milligrams of potassium to your diet. Notice that I'm not peeling it, I'm just removing the core and putting it roughly chopped in the blender. And there's also mint here. Now, mint is so effective in improving the health of the gastrointestinal tract, it may even be prescribed as a treatment for irritable bowel syndrome. Remember that having healthy gut is the best way to help your kidneys do their job. This ingredient is also thought to have a powerful nephroprotective effect, meaning that it protects the kidneys from oxidative damage, according to studies. Let's add some leaves to the blender. And there's also hazelnuts. Nuts are a must in a smoothie because they will add a creamy element to the recipe. Hazelnuts in particular are known for their cholesterol-lowering benefits. They are also lower in potassium and phosphorus compared to other nuts. We're going to use 1 ounce of hazelnuts, or around 30 grams. And guys, if you are having troubles finding 1 or more of these ingredients, feel free to ask in comment section for substitutions. And also, cinnamon! We need 1/4 of teaspoon both for the taste and for the powerful health benefits these spices can provide. Let's just add some ice and some water. Not much, I like my smoothies creamy. And blend for 3 or 4 minutes. You really want this to mix well. This is for 2 people, but if you want it all for yourself, it can last up to 2 days in the fridge or 3 months in the freezer. Okay, done! Can't wait to taste this one! Guys, let me know if you've tried this recipe and share it with your friends if you like it. And if you want to see more kidney healing recipes, in my video up here you will find a smoothie made with one of the healthiest fruits on earth. Watch it now to know more. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching. Let's taste it. Wow! Wow! It tastes even better than I was expecting.